How to connect T3 Arena with your Facebook account. Are you on T3 Arena and want to connect your account to Facebook? Linking T3 Arena to Facebook helps you save your progress, recover your account, and connect with friends easily. So let's get started. First things first, launch open the T3 Arena game on your device. Once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top right corner and click on Options. Under Options, look for Account button on the left-hand corner. From here, go ahead and click My Account. Under the Account Security Center page, look for Facebook account option and tap on Bind right next to it. You'll then need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credential, that is your email or your phone number and your password. If you're already logged into Facebook on the same device, then you'll just need to tap on the Continue button to allow access. After you do that, T3 Arena will receive your player name, avatar, email address, and friend list from Facebook. And right after you do that, you will be able to connect T3 Arena to Facebook. T3 Arena will then automatically link your game account to Facebook. You should see a confirmation message, and that's it. Your progress is now safer, and logging in on new devices will be much easier. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.